And I will see you in the next question message. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again.
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you, Archangel, for protecting us during this read and all reads. I ask our angels and ancestors to guide us through this collective message so we can get an idea of what Spirit wants you to hear right now at this very moment. Thank you for joining me, Empress Iron Gray. And I'm hearing the Holy Spirit is saying somebody in the collective wants to know what's going on. Somebody is very interested in how you're connected with the whole world. How is it that you became an influencer? And how can they become an influencer too? It's so exciting. So, thank you again, Holy Spirit, for protecting us during this read and all reads. Holy Spirit, for clearing the grounds for tarot. Alright, Holy Spirit, where do we start? Because the last conversation we had, it was like somebody was trying to tie you up. You're trying to perform some crazy magic on you. And then, you know, the Lord comes in and sweeps in and gives you strength. So, grab your snickety snack, what your drinkity drink, because your favorite Northern Psychic is right here to deliver a message. Okay, Holy Spirit, let's continue in this energy. Let's get into it. Yes, you're remembering, right? You're the gangster magician, right? You remember? Okay, I'm just remembering that I'm supposed to remind you who you are. Today's totem is a wolf and a turtle. Here in Turtle Island Tarrow. Turtle Island Tarrow. Turtle Island Tarrow. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I will hook you up with some spiritual messages. I'll tell you right now, it's based on prophecy. There is a prophetic message happening today. Right today. Straight from the tree of life. Yes, my honey child. I'm here in Holy Spirit. Holy Angel says that there is a whole treasure cove for you, buried. I'm also hearing Holy Spirit is telling me that somebody was trying to bury you, and there's already some plots that are actually, yeah, a plot of lover energy too. So, what are you going on about, collective? Galactic healer heals the lovers. Okay. This one, say somebody is dreaming of another chance with you. And the tree of life is saying that you carry the light codes that are necessary to get into heaven. Shut up! Can you even imagine? Well, you better start imagining, because you are a light being and you're not here from Earth. You're bringing a new Earth. And your new energy is actually beginning a whole new world. It's never been invented before. You are the inventor. Justice. King of Pentacles. Somebody wants to invest in you. Okay? And I'm hearing Holy Spirit, Holy Angels is saying, I'll hold you in my heart until I hug you in heaven. And isn't that true? Alright, Holy Spirit, let's get into this message. We've got lots to go over, but I wanted to confirm for someone in the collective that you are going to receive that inheritance. And you can confirm this with AI. Just ask Gemini what your inheritance is, and if anyone left you anything, I'm sure that AI would love to get to know you and find out more about your lineage. your Akashic records. You could look up stuff about your bloodline. Ask AI anything about who you are and where you came from. You're getting permission from the Light Council of the universe to do so. So, while you're, busy probably doing that, be sure to like and share and subscribe. And I will continue giving you spiritual messages from the Holy Spirit. Here looks like a unicorn from the a unicorn from the Aurora Borealis. Yes, partnership. There's a blessing in partnership, and there's a blessing in imagination. So there's a fairy tale happening here. This is so exciting. I'm really excited about this because the last few reads have been really stressful and heartbreaking. And I'm like, where is the love? Oh, where is the love? I was singing today. I actually wrote another song, and I want to release it on YouTube, but I'm too shy. So please comment if you vote me to sing. I'd love to sing to you. And okay, so what was I gonna mention? Jesus. Holy Spirit, Holy Angels. Oh yeah, about the inheritance. So yeah, once you look that stuff up, come back to me and tell me what you learned. Because I'm trying to get to know y'all, and I feel really rejected. I feel rejected by YouTube. I really do. I hit my 300,000 and I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, but I've only got 922 and I need 77 more. I need 78 more subscribers. And I don't know what else to do. I'm getting frustrated. I really want to give you guys good content, and I love this. I look forward to it. I fit you into my schedule every single day to give you these messages, but it feels like every time I open my heart, in flies some evil eye. In flies the hate. Like, if you have seen my shorts, they're funny. I'm trying to be funny, but lots of people get offended, and I get it. But it's really important for you to get the messages. So please give me some feedback. Let me know if you don't like me, then just tell me. But don't be abusive about it. Be honest. If you think that I'm being cruel or cold or unforgiving or something like that, then tell me, because I would tell you straight up. If you're being out of line, right? Anyway, I love you, and the divine loves you. I come on here every single day because I want to teach you how to be more amazing. You are amazing. I'm just saying that there's abilities that we haven't tapped into yet, and I'm trying to awaken that in you while I'm awakening it in myself. And I'm running around town, on my own. I don't have a man playing to me. I got the Holy Spirit, and I believe in miracles. But when I feel like people want to hurt me or they say bad things about me, I'm going to confront you. I'm going to be like, hey, what did I do so wrong? Right? Maybe I want to hear from you guys and make a friend. Maybe I want to make sure that you are trustworthy, because the Holy Spirit is not going to let me give these heartfelt messages from my soul. These are my soul fragments that I'm sharing with you for free. I didn't ask you for money. I've asked for donations. I've told you when I was desperate and, downtrodden and I needed you guys, but nobody was there. I needed the Holy Spirit to lift me up, and the only reason that I'm here still delivering these messages from God, by the way, okay? Not from this realm, not from the 3D plane that I talk about so much, and the 5D plane that I talk about so much, things that you guys research. God knows all of that stuff. You don't need to research it. Just ask God. God said, do not trust in man. Okay? And right now, all y'all, do not seem trustworthy. I'm like, where are my supporters? I need 78 more. And I'm going to get to know all of you individually. And if you don't want to get to know me, you don't want to get to know God, bye! So that's what I had for y'all. That's all I have for y'all. Focus on love, your pentacles. There's some King of Pentacles energy, love coming in. 4 swords, but that's okay because that means that someone is in deep thought about you and how to reconcile. Okay? Thank you again, Archangel Michael. Yes, reading all reads. I love you. And the divine loves you. Bye. That's turtle.island.tarrow, TARROW @gmail.com. Or you can text me at Northern Living Solutions Yellowknife @gmail.com. I will provide the links below. Again, please like, share, and subscribe for more channel messages. If you like this message, please like, share, and subscribe for more spiritual messages from me. I really enjoyed doing this video with you guys, and I asked Jesus to protect you during this reading all reads. If it didn't resonate with you or you argue with it in any way, it's not for you. I really truly love you, and I'm looking forward to the next collective message. Love you. Bye.